I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the backup slot and player stats are visible. This saves time. Once done, save the current lineup and note each role so you don't misassign someone under pressure. Now tap Backup Player and open the selection list. Pick a candidate whose role and recent form match the outgoing player. Do this first because it prevents lineup gaps and it preserves team balance when substitutions occur during gameplay. Next, you configure the substitution so it fits the match context. Look at pitch type, opponent, and player fatigue percentages. Then, choose where the backup enters, batting order or bowling allocation, and make the swap. After selection, adjust equipment and confirm any special abilities carry over. Do this carefully because misplacing a backup can weaken tactics. Once the swap is set, run a quick simulation or preview to ensure the team's balance remains intact before resuming play. Finally, you lock the lineup and confirm any substitution cooldown or save the game to secure changes. Monitor the backup's performance for the first few overs or equivalent to see if adjustments are needed, and reposition them if necessary. If things go wrong, for example, the wrong role was assigned or stats aren't applied, immediately reselect the correct backup or reload the last saved lineup. This fixes most issues quickly and keeps your strategic plans intact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.